Hello everyone, welcome to install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install pod player on Windows 11 PC. So at first I open browser. So I search POTPLA. So I hit enter. Then I see the link. So I click on global pod player. So when I entered their website, then they tell us some feature of this pod player. So when I go to pod player website, then we see the two button. So I click on 64-bit download. So I click on it, then it show me internet download managers download. So I click on three dot button and choose the download area to desktop, and I click on save, and I click on this tick mark. So when download these programs, then always it save to my desktop area. So I click on start download, then download completed within few seconds. So download is completed. So I close this and I minimize this browser, and I see this is the pod player setup file. I double click on it and it asks me permission to set up, and when I click on yes, it is starting setup file. They ask me choose a language, so I click on OK, and then I click on next. I click on agree button, and here some question, create program group, create pod player shortcut on desktop. I tick it, and create pod player shortcut in quick launch, and also association. Here is a option, association all files supported by pod player. So by default it is, so I tick on it, and I click on next button, and I click on install. So within few seconds it will be installed. Yeah, setup is done. So when this done, I tick on it, detect SW decoder and encoder, and I click on close. So when I click on close, it downloading some necessary software for pod player, and then installation is completed. So that was my video. In this video I will show you how to install pod player properly on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. If you watch this video on Facebook, please follow my Facebook page and hit the like button on this video. Thank you for watching this video.